All right, here we are, a few pitches up on Yam. I just want to take a moment to talk about the importance of water. So how much, how often, and more importantly, why? So in terms of quantity, there's a lot of discrepancies, a lot of debate out there on how much. So one thing you can go by roughly is how much do you weigh in kilograms? So I weigh 155 pounds. To get kilos, I divide that by 2.2. So I weigh 70.5 kilograms. That's how many ounces I should be having. And you'll hear lots of talk, debate, saying, oh no, that's not quite right, blah, 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 blah. It gets you in the ballpark for your size, okay? So in my case, being 70.5 kilos, I should drink about 70.5 ounces of water. How much is that? Well, there's 32 ounces in a liter, so that means I should drink about 2.2 liters. Another gauge that's less scientific, that's more visual, is the moment you have a slight discoloration in your urine. That's also a great indicator that you're hydrated. So what is it with this 2 liters a day, this 8 cups a day that you hear a lot of people talk about? Well, part of where that comes from is because you will use up close to 2 liters every day just to maintain equilibrium, a homeostasis. So you'll lose about a liter just through getting rid of cellular poop, metabolic waste that's being removed from your cells, put into your bloodstream, brought to your kidneys, brought to your bladder, and then you get rid of it. So there's 1 liter. Another 500 milliliters or so through your respiration. Another 300 milliliters or so through what's known as insensible sweat. We're always sweating to a certain degree at all times. Think about your feet. And then the last 200 milliliters roughly through your feces. So right there, we're already at 2 liters. So again, you could use the scientific method or go more so on this this visual cue of just slight discoloration. So the other thing I mentioned, that's how much, how frequent. So again, these are benchmarks. It's not a hard and fast rule because we're all different. We are all snow, and among the snow, we are snowflakes. So we're all very unique and individual. So some bodies will metabolize better than others. So how often? It's said that the general rule is 250 milliliters every 15 minutes. Is what your body can actively, efficiently absorb and assimilate into its system. So 250 milliliters, that's a cup. So that's about a cup every 15 minutes, or a liter an hour is another way to think about it. And so in the next video, what I'm going to do is share you a story about the kingdom that is your body and why it is so important to be well hydrated. And one thing to keep in mind is when you are exerting, you need more than just water, because when we sweat more than just water. So we need to offset the water with things like electrolytes. That's all I've got for now.